electric fan kasi maingay. So I am here at my salon today. It's Saturday and yeah, I have a client today, 1 p.m. hair client today, so I'm here. And this morning was an exciting experience for me, guys, because I tell you what, why. So for the longest time, since I went to Japan, I haven't been inside the jeepney, and this morning, this morning we rode the jeepney. Yeah, it was so so exciting, guys. And kasi ano ba, bakit we rode the jeepney kasi may ginawang construction doon sa daan ng subdivision namin, kaya we cannot hindi pwedeng dumaan yung sasakyan, so wow, so maingay. So we decided that we will ride a jeepney. So yun nga, we ride a jeepney this morning. It made me feel a little anxious because every time every time I go somewhere else, I wanted to get there right away. So if you ride a jeepney, obviously it will take time to get to your destination. So usually when we come here to the salon, it's only 10 to 15 minutes ride, but since we rode the jeepney, it was like 45 minutes. Yeah, it took that long, guys, and it made me a little anxious, but at the same time I was happy because I haven't been in a jeepney for the longest time, like since 2005, or yeah, it's 2005. And maybe every time we come home here sa Pinas, I don't know, maybe once lang, or I don't remember if I've ridden a jeepney. Yeah, and it was so exciting because you could remember those days when you still ride a jeepney, but unfortunately nowadays ang hirap sumakay ng jeepney, guys. Grabe, it's so traffic, and yeah, yun lang yung problema doon is yun nga, traffic, and you get to your destination yung matagal, and also it's not that safe then to ride a jeepney kasi may maraming mangunguot unsa na pickpockets. Yeah, so that's one thing that you need to keep in mind, na for your safety you don't bring any, or hindi pwedeng maglabas ng cellphone, ganyan. But it was an interesting experience for me because grabe, ang tagal ko nang hindi nakasakay ng jeepney. It was fun but exhausting at the same time kasi nga a 15-minute ride took us 45 minutes, but it's okay, it was an experience and it made my day. So I'm just waiting for my client. It's still early, it's still 12:45 and 1 p.m. yung namin, yung appointment namin. So yun na, guys, and I'm gonna see you later. We are home. I did not vlog anything today. I waited for my client, but I forgot na mali pala yung So yun, we just got home. It's already 7, guys. Nag-commute lang kami. We rode a jeepney and grabe, ang tagal namin dumating. It's like 1 hour and 30 minutes. Ang tagal din namin naghintay ng jeep. Grabe. Ang sakit ng ulo ko. It's giving me a headache. And it's so init. Grabe. I know. I'm sorry if I am complaining or something. It's nothing big, but wala lang. I just wanna say it. But okay lang. But I don't know. Bukas, I don't know kung mag-commute kami ng jeep. Let's see. Miguel is there. So happy with his stuffed toy kasi nilabhan ni mother. Oh my god, I haven't really vlog anything today. Yeah, yun. Bukas na lang siguro. I don't know if I'm going to post this or not, but walang content yung vlog na to. Sumakay lang ako ng jeep. And maybe I'll insert the clip yung nasa jeep kami. Diba? Nung umaga. Not tonight kasi marami ng tao and it's not it's not safe. So, yun, baka ma-snatch yung ano ko, cellphone. Tamura? Tamura, that's your job. No, not me. I'm tired. You have a helper, Baba. No ba, no? Or, oh. Wow. You can do that? Yeah. Shh. Do not whistle, okay? Ang dami. Mali yung ano. Mali yung kuan. Ang seto, day? Ang kanang cover ba? Maliit yung nabili namin.
Damin?
Yeah.
Ikaw may kapili?
Well, so, kabalo day ko niya. Anak man ka nga. Kana mo ma.
Ano, di ko ka na. Lahi, beto akong ipakita
Oh,
mo.
ang long. Banto ba no? So, they are planning. Oh my God. I wanted to edit some video and upload kuan video para schedule na for YouTube. But I don't know. Have the time kasi. So, she asked me na mag-cover daw me. Kasali daw ako. Sila na lang, no? Kasi, you're already big. Dahil, Miguel, please. Can you shut up, Miguel? For the love of Miguel. Shh! Zipper. Grabe, ang ingay ni Miguel. Already poop and already eat. So, magka-cover kami. But, I don't know if I'm going to kuan. But, I wanted to take a shower first kasi grabe ang init. Ang kati-kati na ng ano ko. Ng forehead ko, guys. I don't know, yeah. Maybe I'll just take a shower first and help them cover their books and notebooks. And, after that, if I still have the time, mag-upload ako ng video because I already edited 2 videos but wala pang thumbnail. Yan. But thumbnail is very easy. Madali lang yan. And, yeah. Maybe edit 1 video para next week. Kasi today is Saturday but I still have time tomorrow para mag-edit naman ng ano, ng video. But, ano, ewan ko kung magsisimba kami bukas kasi ano, hindi kami makadaan doon kasi yun nga, under construction yung daan namin, guys. But we'll see. Baka sa TV na lang kami magsisimba. But we'll see. But first things first, maliligo na ako. Yeah, maliligo na muna ako. And then I will help them. Kasi, oh, struggle is real. Diba? Yan pa lang yung ano, nagawa ni Rocky.
Paano nagpili sa yan?
Huwag ka na, te. Parang di mo. What the hell are you doing?
Awa, gunahin mo pinutla, no?
Oh, lagi. Ba't dili? Oh my God.
Why ako rin
Oh
nagising.
my God. Unsa to? Hurry up na ninyo. Oy, what the all the color?
Hurry up, huwag ka ni tabang kayo.
Oh, legit na. Oh, I cut
Kana
na.
ra.
Oh yeah, fine. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Kana ra mo na.
Goodbye. So yun na lang, guys. I guess it's time to say goodnight. And I hope you had a great day and a wonderful day today. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.